What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video. And yes, we are finally in June. June basically means that we're in summer, and summer only means one thing: car show season. There's a few car shows that I'm getting ready for this summer, one of them being next week, which is the Empire meet, and one the week after that, which is Calvin's Car Diary meet. Now the GTI, even though it's got a stage 2 remap, there's a few things that I'm just not happy with yet, especially to take it to car meets, because it needs some body work basically. The driver's side wing is dented and the paint's a little bit chipped, so this wing needs to be replaced. The near side wing, well you can just see it, it's just heavily rusty, looks really bad. This wing needs to be replaced. The back of the GTI is just looking a little bit boring. There's not much going on at the back here, so I've bought a few little mods, one including a large spoiler or a large wing, if you want to call it, and a few little extra mods to go at the back of the GTI, just to make it a little bit more modified, make it stand out a little bit more in the meet. So I'm hoping 2 new front wings and a rear wing is going to help the car stand out and just be a little bit more prepared for the car meets that we have coming this summer. Now I've only got one of the wings on me right now, which is the driver's side front, because I bought that one from Facebook Market. So I've got that one on me right now. I only paid like 30 quid for it and it's in really good condition. However, the near side front, sorry, the passenger side front, which is the near side front, I've ordered that online and annoyingly I haven't quite got it yet. So I'm gonna have to do this job twice. Today I'm gonna change the driver's side front, I'm gonna stick the rear wing on, and I'm gonna do a few little other mods that I've bought, but I'm gonna have to re-jack up the car and do the passenger side front another day. And this is the first time that I'm saying this on camera, but I no longer work in a car dealership no more, which means I no longer have access to a ramp. So me changing the wings, which is taking the wheels off and everything, will be done in a driveway where I'm going to be jacking up the car on axle stands. So yeah, annoyingly I no longer have access to a ramp. Right, so let's get the car jacked up, let's start removing this wing and let's replace it. Now I'm not going to get too into depth on how to replace the wing, because there's so many videos on YouTube already as there is, and it's a pretty boring process. It's not really a modification, I'm just replacing something which should have been okay in the first place. So it's not really an upgrade, so I'm not going to video it. I will just time lapse it just for the sake of the video. Right, let's do it. Okay guys, and I've got the wheel off, and to be honest it's not that big of a job. There's 3 10mm bolts just under the bonnet, 1, 2 and 3. There is one down here which is a T30, and there is a few behind the wheel arch lining, so I'll have to remove the wheel arch lining around this side. There's about 2 or 3 there, and there's 2 behind the bumper, so I'll have to pull the bumper a little bit forward, and there's 2 here, 1 and 2. We got 3 bolts down here, 1, 2 and 3 just down there, and we've got 2 bolts down here which someone told me we need to remove the bumper, but it's just these bolts right here and we can see them, so I think we can get them off without removing the bumper. And then we got 1 more just behind the door right here. Fit the new wing in position and leave all the bolts loosely. Once you're happy with the position of the wing, tighten all the bolts and put the rest of the car back together. Don't forget to throw the old wing away. Right, driver's side wing finally done. Passenger side wing, still rusty, but we're waiting for the parts to show up so I can fit that when I'm free. Now we're going to move on to the rear wing, well, the rear wing extension, which I've got in this box right here. So after finishing off that wing yesterday, I got a little bit distracted and I didn't get a chance to finish off the other things I wanted to do. So today we're going to start again, and we're going to start with the wiper delete that I bought from eBay for £7. It's a 13mm nut there. You got to take this back trim off, which is held in by 2 Phillips screws, one under there and one under there, and then there might be like 3 10mm bolts holding the wiper motor in. Now you guys can watch me as I struggle to remove the wiper arm. I started off by using a little bit of grease. Then I tried the wiper arm puller, but that didn't work. Then I pulled and pulled and pulled. I hit it with my ratchet. I even got a lever bar behind there, and out of frustration I even hit it with the lever bar. This wiper arm was just not coming off. That's what 17 years worth of rust does to it. I decided to get the rest of the wiper motor off on the other side, and I'll come back to the wiper arm later. And just as I expected, unplug the wiper motor and there's 3 10mm nuts. And Big Danny came to the rescue with the angle grinder. What a legend. Give it a clean using some rubbing alcohol. Now I'm going to leave that to dry. The spoiler is probably the mod that I'm most excited for in this whole video. I've had it sitting around for about a week now, and I bought it from eBay for 80 quid. I'll leave the link in the description because it is so hard to find a good VW Mark 5 GTI spoiler. There are so many for the Mark 6, but to find one for a Mark 5 and a nice one, it is so hard to find. But I found this one. It come painted in black. It was only £80, so I bought it quickly before it sold out, and that's it there. I think I've given it a little test fit before, but just for the video purpose I'll show you how it fits. And that's how it fits, guys. It fits pretty nice for an eBay spoiler anyway. I'm quite happy with that. So we're going to wipe down the area with some rubbing alcohol, and we're going to get some double-sided tape on there and stick it down properly. I saw this little trick online where you put all your double-sided tape down and you peel the edges off so they're just hanging out, so that you can put it down and then peel it off once it's fitted in the position you like. So I still need to rub down the roof with alcohol. Right, and that's the rear spoiler fitted and the wiper delete fitted. I'm going to put the rest of the boot back together off camera, but let me know what you guys think. Is it a big improvement or not? Right, now that the wing is fitted and the wiper delete is done, we're going to start doing the final few mods, and one of them is sticking a large GTI JTI sticker right on the back of the windscreen, right here. Yeah, basically guys, I've done such a bad job of fitting that I'm gonna have to get a new one because I've done such a bad job. It's embarrassing and it looks stupid. I'm not even gonna put it on camera because it looks so bad. I'm gonna have to get a new one. Yo, bro.
Yo, what's up, DB? You alright?
Yo, you know that sticker I got off you? I fucked it up putting it on, like, really badly.
What do you mean?
I fucked it up, bro. Can I get a new one?
Yeah, of course you can, mate.
Shout out SSJ Stickers on Instagram, man, for hooking me up. Even though I fucked up the one in the back, they're gonna send me a new one. But I've got some new ones to the side so I can take these old ones off because they're peeling. And we're gonna stick some new stickers on here. Hopefully this time I don't mess it up. You know what? I nearly messed that up, but I just about managed to save it. You know what? Stickers have nearly defeated me, you know? Like, mechanics, yeah, I'm cool with it. But when it comes to stickers, yeah, it's in a different league, like, just can't handle that league.
Got Kai as well. Kai's been well excited about coming along today, you Kai? And yeah, it's been brilliant.
Alright, the show's pretty much over now. Most of the people have gone home. I'm gonna start getting ready to leave. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you later. Peace.